going over here just in case.
That's it coming?
Yeah.
Right.
It's actually not a bad day, is it?
Yeah.
Not too cold either.
I'm going to try and get a still photograph. Are you okay hand holding it?
Yeah, I'm absolutely fine. I got the Delta hand holding it nice. I'll get this one too. Got him well. First time I'm seeing a DHL landing, you know?
We always need to take off, don't we?
He's going here. He's going here. He's turning off at the first one. How? How? I've never seen one of them doing that. How are they doing that? I've never seen a DHL do that before. I've never seen a plane like that do that. It's big. I can't believe he actually fit on there. LOL. What's that on there? There's one due to take off. I do not know. Ryanair, I think. After I've gotten this video, you can use it.
Okay. Oh, he's quite big, isn't he?
He's an American 787 Dreamliner. What do you expect?
Yeah.
Do you want to get some photos of him?
I do.
Oh, bless me. Good thing I catched it. Maybe he's coming low, 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 low. Oh, look, it's a birdie. Bird. Cute little birdie. Chaffinch, I think. Finch.
It's the time of morning where they're all coming in for their brekkie. think he'll go right round?
Of course, he's a 787.
Yeah, okay.
The only one I've ever seen that's gone around there, the biggest plane I've seen, even on YouTube videos, is a 757.
Pretty cool, the Delta came round.
Yeah, the Delta came around there, but you missed it, didn't you?
I could see it, I got a really good view, but I didn't get any pictures of it.
Sadly.
Can you see him?
No, where is he?
I'll just check it.
If a plane goes right round, the only thing I'm worried about is if there's a good one behind it, it might block the shot.
I'm probably not in your way, but if I'm in your way when you're taxiing off, just
Oh, you
shout
aren't.
and I'll
Oh,
move.
No, you're not. You're fine.
Right, I was like trying to figure out, am I going to be in it?
No,
like,
no, no,
it was
you're
fine.
absolutely fine. Thank you, though.
Fine. Nice.
Yeah. Okay, we have EasyJet taxiing to take off.
Another jet stream. Another jet stream. God, there's a lot of jet streams. Won't
Lots of-
air.
Ryanair and EasyJet. So we've got a wee bit of a break before. What we've got coming in? Yeah.
Ooh, small truck.
I think it's coming in.
Is that the Air Canada? Yes. That the Air Canada's half an hour or so.
He's at 7,000 feet.
Oh, you might see him.
Depending on what the clouds are like.
They don't seem too high.
You're not chaffing cheese butter.
It might be female.
Okay, so we're connected here. I'll get the radio on, which is in here.
I'm gonna keep an eye out.
Mm-hmm.
I see him.
If your hand's getting cold, let me know. I've got the wee thing that's in there.
Are they birds or planes? I think they're birds.
what they're saying?
Yeah.
I wonder if we can turn going with.
I can see sparklers in my vision. One time I accidentally got kicked so hard by my friend when we were rolling down a hill that for a few seconds I could see little crystals floating around in my
Yeah,
phone.
you saw stars, you call that.
Which is why when you're dizzy, the anime stars in your vision.
Yes.
Actually, two stars in my vision. One diamond star. Wait, I've been recording all this. You know my rights.
Try putting that over your eyes, does that help? Right, where do you want me here? Oh, look at him coming in.
He's big.
Isn't he? Holy moly. Am I still in your hot spot? How's that?
I'll just keep this on too, just in case.
Okay.
He's a biggie.
Oh yeah, is
Big
it?
boy. Hey, big boy.
He's landing early, isn't he? He'll be going right round.
Malta is ready to take off soon. The
Good.
Malta's taxiing, by the way.
Good, good. Oh, that looks so nice.
Air Canada. See if we can get the pilots, shall we?
Let's see what's coming next, shall we?
Wow, it's amazing.
Yeah, the sun's gone behind the clouds, which is kind of what we're looking for, to be honest. Next up, we've got a Ryanair, followed by a Ryanair,
Followed by a Ryanair.
followed potentially by an EasyJet. Right, what we've got coming in.
EasyJet.
Yeah. Maybe a wee bit of a gap before the next ones come in.
Next interesting one is 821.
What's that?
You got the American second. You got low open air departure, followed by Jet 2s, followed by 247 Aviation at 7:58. And then we got a DHL departure, and then a Qatar departure. Right?
Yeah. So we've got the key ones that you wanted. I think I've got an idea of the timings in here.
Here.
Yeah, Qatar 7:55. American arrival at 7.
Yeah.
Of course we got it, didn't we?
There's the smaller one, which is arriving at 8. The smaller one's arriving at 8, Dad.
Yeah.
It's always followed by a small one, isn't it?
Yeah, pretty much. So plenty of Jet 2s. A wee small one at 7:40.
Yeah, it's the 24 Aviation, isn't it? Oh, a DAT. Wow.
I want to see that.
Is there a DAT arrival?
No,
There's another Malta arrival.
Oh, good. 8 o'clock, 8:40. So that's good. It's not too long to wait. JetBlue. That might have come about 2 in the morning or 3 in the morning.
That Malta here. Arrival. Express. Another 247 Aviation, but that's at 1. We might stay till 1.
Yeah, we'll see.
Maybe.
We'll see. Depending on when the food runs out. You warm enough? Do you want a hat?
May you move, Dad?
Of course I can move.
made it. That was a Delta, by the way.
Yeah.
And the sat nav was wrong. Wait, no, the radar was wrong. It actually wasn't 4 minutes late. It was like 6. It was like a few more then. Because
Good view of it, that light. It's amazing.
pretty bad. Bad. Set the tripod up. Don't think we'll get it, but that's alright with me. I don't think the Delta will block it. I think it'll pass before it arrives.
Yeah.
But